Welcome to KidsCastel. Today, we're exploring the realm of laptop cleanliness with a comprehensive review of the best laptop cleaners for 2025. Each product has been assessed based on its effectiveness, safety, usability, and eco-friendliness. Stay tuned as we delve into each option to help you keep your laptop in pristine condition. Starting with the Ordilend Laptop Cleaner, this product shines with its all-in-one functionality, offering a variety of tools designed to meet diverse cleaning needs. It is recognized for its portability and well-thought-out design, although the extensive range of tools can be somewhat overwhelming. While it appeals to gadget enthusiasts who prefer having multiple options, its complexity may not be ideal for those seeking simplicity and compactness. Next, we have Windex Electronic Wipes, renowned for their streak-free performance and user-friendly design. These wipes are favored for their portability and rapid drying capabilities, although some users have noted that they can leave behind small fibers. They rank lower in packaging durability, with reports of the wipes drying out quicker than anticipated. Nevertheless, they shine in their low chemical odor, making them a safe and convenient choice for regular use. The Ordilend Laptop Cleaner stands out for those who prioritize environmental sustainability. It features an eco-friendly formula that is free of harsh chemicals and comes with a versatile two-sprayer system designed for different device sizes. While it is generally effective, some users may find that stubborn stains require multiple applications to completely remove. Though its larger bottle size makes it less portable, it's an excellent choice for users seeking a cleaner that aligns with their environmentally conscious values. The Laptop Cleaner Kit from Altura Photo takes a comprehensive approach to laptop cleaning, offering a variety of tools including sprays, gels, brushes, and cloths. While it's praised for its thoroughness, some users have noted that the gel cleaner may not perform as well in collecting dust. Additionally, the absence of a storage bag can make transport less convenient. Nonetheless, its extensive range of tools and effectiveness in removing dirt and dust make it a strong choice for those seeking a complete cleaning solution. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Kit is highly regarded for its generous bottle size and versatility across various screen types, delivering a streak-free cleaning experience. While it effectively handles regular maintenance, it may require additional effort to tackle more stubborn stains. Achieving optimal results heavily depends on the use of a microfiber cloth, making it less suitable for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit stands out for delivering a streak-free finish, aided by its plush microfiber cloth. It efficiently tackles fingerprints and smudges with ease. While the larger bottle size might limit portability, its effectiveness and gentle formula make it suitable for all screen types. This makes it an excellent choice for both home and office environments, ensuring that your devices stay clean and clear. In conclusion, each of these products presents distinct features designed to cater to varying cleaning needs and preferences. Whether your focus is on eco-friendliness, portability, or an all-encompassing cleaning solution, there's an option that will meet your requirements. For a more in-depth exploration to find the ideal cleaner for your needs, visit KidsCastel.com and check the description for our product links to help keep your device in optimal condition.